So good day everyone. We are here today to discuss about fuel oil system and the lubrication system. So first and foremost, let us discuss the function and purpose of fuel oil system and components on board. So the fuel oil service system to is designed to deliver fuel oil to the boilers at temperatures and pressures suitable for satisfactory combustion. So basically, it is like a program where it provides the specific requirements a boiler needs in order to operate efficiently and perform satisfactory combustion. The system basically consists of settling tanks, suction and discharge strainers, pumps, heating coils, 7 valves to properly meter fuel, and other assorted hardware.
Types of fuel oil used on board. First, heavy fuel oil. Since the mid-19th century, HFO, known as heavy fuel oil, has been a logical choice for ships because it is very high in energy, so a little takes a ship a long way. HFO is cheaper than the residual product from the oil refining process. This makes it much cheaper than the lighter marine oil, and it is the main reason it is used in marine engines.
So, second is low sulfur fuel oil. The mega marine engines of ships burn tons of fuel every day in order to propel massively loaded ships. These engines are known to use low-grade fuel oil to lower ship operating costs, as cost of fuel represents as much as 30 to 50% of total operating cost of a ship.
Diesel oil is a type of fuel and is a blend of gas oil and heavy fuel oil with more gas oil than intermediate fuel oil used in the maritime field. Marine diesel oil is also called distillate marine diesel. Diesel oil is widely used by medium high-speed marine diesel engines.
Why is fuel oil treatment necessary? First, it is essential for good combustions. Second, it reduces the risk of casualties. And lastly, it reduces the development of contamination. It is essential for good combustion and reduces the risk of casualties because the separation of impurities and water from oil is essential for good combustion. For example, removal the contaminating impurities from lubricating oil. Kay nagkuhan siya para maka-reduce yung na ay possible breakdown sa mga engine. So, it reduces the development of contamination. For example, oil spill na contaminate o from seawater ay makabuhat siya dili ma-unconsumable ang iyang tubig for sa mga tao nga mogamit o sa mga another species para makasurvive.
There things are required in proper combination before ignition and combustion can take place: heat, oxygen, and fuel. There must be a fuel to burn, and there must be air to supply oxygen.
um, Fuel oil transfer on board ship. So it is a system where it receives and stores fuel and delivers to settling tank. So fuel oils are loaded through deck fuel connection that have simple connection provided to permit the fuel to be simple as it is taken on board. Each FO is loaded in storage tank left with heating coil. So the first is fuel oil are loaded through deck fuel connection that have simple connection provide to allow the fuel to be simple as it is taken aboard. HFO is hydraulic fuel oil is placed in storage tank fed with heating coils. In preparation for use, each FO is transferred to the fuel oil settings tanks via HO transfer pump, which are occupied with a suction strainer. Piping is so arranged that the pumps can convey fuel between storage tank and the deck connection for uploading. Setting tanks are used for connection, growth, water, and solid to settle on the bottom. So that's all.
Is responsible for lubricating and cooling the internal parts, which are acting relative to each other, creating frictions and heat, resulting in overheating of parts. Lubrication not only provide cooling and but also the removal of any debris or impurities.
Lubricating also requires treatment before passing to the engine. This will involve storage and heating to allow separation of water present, pores, and fine filtering to remove solid particles, and also centrifuging. Lubricating system also of an engine provides a supply of lubricating oil to various moving parts in the engine. Its main function is to enable the formation of a film of oil between the moving parts, which reduces friction and wear. The lubricating oil is also used as a cleaner and in some engines as a coolant.
So, main parts of lubrication. The first is oil sump. So the oil sump contains the engine oil required for lubrication. The oil is extracted from it by an oil pump and conveyed into the engine block's oil ducts via the oil filter. So the oil then follows back into the oil sump from lubrication points. So next is engine oil filter. So the engine oil filter helps to remove contaminants from your car or engine oil or any engine that can accumulate over time as the oil keeps your engine clean. Clean motor oil is more important because if the oil were left unfiltered for a period of time, it could become saturated with tiny hard particles that can wear surface in your engine. So the next is piston cooling nozzle. So piston cooling nozzle, continued usage of low quality gasoline can lead to crack piston. A fractured piston might be also the result of the exhaust gas recirculation system failing. Cheap tuning, lack of piston cooling, and faulty injection nozzle are the other possible causes for a cracked piston. And the last one is oil pump. So the oil pump's primary purpose is to circulate engine oil under pressure to the bearing, piston, and the camshaft. This lubricates this system, allows to use of high capacity fluid, bearing, and also assist in the engine cooling. And that's all.
So thank you for listening. I hope you have learned something from the fuel oil system and lubrication system, and see you next time.